Hello everyone, welcome to another video lecture series on consumer behavior. In this video, we'll be discussing about the EKB model. It is also called as Angel Collett Blackwell model. The EKB model of consumer behavior was originally developed in the year 1968 in order to serve as a framework for organizing the fast-growing body of knowledge which is concerning the consumer behavior. Over the years, it has been revised a number of times at improvising its descriptive ability and clarifying basic relationships between components and the subcomponents. The EKB model consists of four sections, namely information input, information processing, decision process stages, and the last one includes the variables which influences the decision process. The start in the decision process stage when the consumer recognizes an unfulfilled need or partially fulfilled need. So this is how the EKB model looks. So it starts with the input, and the information is processed, and next the decision is processed here. It has certain variables which influences the decision making, and there are certain external factors which affect the decision making process. The starting point of any purchase decision is consumer need or the problem. This occurs when consumer perceives a difference between his ideal desired state and actual state of affairs. Consumers buy products or services when they believe the product or service would be able to solve the problem. Marketers often attempt to make customers aware of unperceived needs and problems through marketing communication. So this is how they explain about their product offerings and convince the customer to try out their products and repeat the purchase later. Further steps in the decision making process include information search, evaluation of alternatives, purchase, consumption, and post consumption evaluation. So this is the information input. Information from marketing and non-marketing sources feeds into the information processing section of the model. After passing through the consumer's memory, so here the information is processed and it passes through the consumer's memory. After passing through the consumer memory, which serves as a filter. So this memory serves as a filter. The information has influence as initial influence at the problem recognition of the decision making. If the available information is sufficient, if the available information is insufficient, there may be more deliberate search for information. So a customer is looking for certain information and is unable to fetch the information that he is looking for, then what he would do is that he would search in depth about the information so that he gets a good knowledge about the product and the offerings. And next we have information processing. So this is the information processing stage. The information processing section of the model consists of exposure, attention, comprehension, acceptance, retention of the marketer controlled or non-marketing information. Before a message can be used, the consumer must be first exposed to it, allocate information processing capacity to it, interpret the stimulus, be persuaded by it, and retain message in the long-term memory. In order to be retained in the long-term memory as information and experience, the message must be passed through the short-term memory where message is analyzed for meaning. So the variables influencing the decision process. The last section of the model consists of individual and environmental influences that affect the five stage in the decision process. So that is individual difference, which include motivation, values, lifestyle, personality, and attitude. And other environmental influences are culture, social class, family, reference group, situational influences such as consumer financial condition, etc., also influence the decision making process. So that's it about the EKB model. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon to get regular updates on videos. Thanks for watching.